Hello students, welcome back to the class. During the last class we have discussed about power and we have discussed about different kinds of power. In the last class we have mainly concentrated about political powers. Okay, now in this present class we will discuss about technological power. What is meant by technological power? We will discuss in the present class. Okay, we will go forward now. So, children, already we know that what is meant by power. Power is very important concept and this is a very key concept. Why? Because this will cover all the aspects of all the political science. So, power is a key concept because it covers all the aspects of political science. Next we will go forward. Power, politics, views, the process of resolution of conflicts. Nowadays we can find the resolution of conflicts are common in the politics. Resolution of conflicts, I have already explained you that, for example, there are two parties. If they wanted to solve the differences, okay, they will solve the differences in the form of peaceful way. Whenever there are two parties, these two parties, okay, they are coming closer, okay, these two parties will come closer to sort out the differences in a peaceful manner. That is called concept of resolutions. Okay, resolutions of conflicts. Okay, whenever similarly this is also a concept of United Nations organization. Whenever the two countries have any different issues, they should come together and peacefully they should solve the problem. Same thing, this is also the concept of resolutions. Two different parties, when they have two different issues, if they wanted to reduce the differentials, these two parties will come forward and these two parties will try to solve the problems, okay, in a peaceful way. That is called as resolution of conflicts. Now, distribution of power, we can find powers are distributed. Distribution of power in the political communities. Okay, power should be distributed in the political communities so that the conflicts will be resolved. Whenever if you wanted to resolve the problems or if you wanted to resolve the points, conflicts and everything, if you wanted to resolve, how it can be resolved? The distribution of power should be on the political community. Whenever the power distributions are wasted on political communities, the conflicts completely will be resolved. And power is a willingness acceptance. Every person have to accept it. Next, come to the point. In the last point we have discussed about political power. In this class we will discuss about what is meant by technological power. Technological powers in the modern time. Technology is a very important element in the modern time to exercise of power. Children, in the modern time technology is a very important role. Technology plays a very important role. Okay. So, next we will go forward. In the recent time, if you see, there is this artificial intelligence have brought a resolutions. Artificial intelligence in the sense the machines that are programmed that can be able to think like human beings. Okay, programmable machine which can able to think like human beings. The machines which are programmed that can able to think like human beings. Okay, that is called artificial intelligence. Man-made is a natural intelligence. So whenever the machines have designed a program and that programs can able to think like human beings, then that is called artificial intelligence. Nowadays these artificial intelligence are brought a revolutions in the field. Okay, and this have greatly increased the immense influence on man. It has greatly influencing the man. Okay, artificial intelligence have greatly affected on the man lives. Okay, nowadays if you see, man even for the small reasons also is depending on technology. Okay, and very soon what happened, this artificial intelligence in the many spheres, okay, they have replacing the man also. They are replacing the man in most of the area. So, artificial intelligence are playing the important role and they have caused a great effect upon the man, artificial intelligence. On the other hand, when you are seeing the computers and unintelligence, okay, already doing the work, okay, already these two things are doing the work in the contemporary democracy. Contemporary democracy means existing society. In the existing countries, if you see, there are these computers and unintelligent, okay, already they are doing a very great work in the contemporary society. Nowadays this society is completely based upon technological society and that is because of only computers. They played a very important role. Okay, next come to the point, there are many political parties, children. These political parties are mainly rely on the sense they are mainly depending on the large automated data to run their campaign. If they wanted to run the political campaign, they have to depend upon the data. Okay, so these political parties nowadays, what they are doing, they are taking a support of technology, okay, in order to influence the political campaign. For their political campaign, they need large quantity of data, okay, they need large automated data, okay, this data it is very important, okay. So government, what they are doing, they are utilizing the big data system. Most of the government, what they are doing, they are utilizing the big data system, and they are managing the deliver healthcare and other public services. So government also are using this data system, and by the support of this the data system, the government, what they are doing, they are managing and they are providing the healthcare and other public services easily. Okay, but depending on technology is can able to cause exploitation also. Depending on technology is not good. If you greatly relies upon the technology, tomorrow we can't able to do any work, okay. So today if you see that, on the other hand, man, okay, so once upon a time we know all the numbers, okay, we can able to, once upon a time we have no technology, so we can able to remember everything, but today due to the technology, okay, we can't able to remember anything. So due to this technology, okay, technology is also a causes of exploitation. If you see the visible sign, or for example fake news, that is also because of technology. Nowadays we are getting different type of fake news, okay, due to the technology. Because of this technology, they are some people, what they are doing, they are spreading the news, and this causing one type of problems in the society. Fake news is also one of the reason because of technology. And on the other side of technology, that is called as micro targeting. Okay, micro targeting, okay, this is also other causes of technology, which is called micro targeting. Okay, what is meant by micro targeting? This is mainly designed, okay, this micro targeting is nothing but this is mainly designed. So from this technology, they will able to gather the data, and they can able to find out what are the important informations and valuable information of customers, likes, dislikes, everything. Okay, this is called as micro targeting. Why the political parties, they need data? Why the political parties, they need information? From the information, many political parties can able to know about the citizens informations about their likes, dislikes, etc. And they can design. So these political parties, what they will do, they will design and they will trigger, they will start the individual prejudice, hatrations, and they will influence the voters. In order to influence the voters, first of all, what the political parties, they know about the likes, dislikes, they know about the data, and based upon the data, what they will do, this data they will utilize, okay, to influence the voters. In order to influence the voters, mainly they works upon this data. So first, the political parties are mainly using the micro targeting. Micro targeting means these political parties are gathering large amount of data. From this data, they can able to know about the personal qualification, personal informations about the citizens, and from that they can able to utilize these informations, okay, in order to influence the voters. In order to influence the voters, they can utilize this information. So nowadays, if you see what we have understand that in the modern days, if you see the political parties are mainly relying upon technology. By this technology, they are gathering the large amount of data of the customers, and based upon that data, what they are doing, they are studying the data, and they are influencing all the voters. Okay, by the use of the data, they are influencing all the voters. Next, we will go forward. Now, if technology is an upper hand in the politics, when we are seeing about technology, this is quietly an upper hand, and technology plays a very important role in the politics. So this is about the technology. Nowadays, if you see, on the other hand, if you see, most of the political parties, in order to influence the voters, they are conducting, they are taking a support of, for political campaign, they are taking a support of direct technology. Okay. So this technology plays a very important role, which is called as technological power. Okay, the political parties which are using the technology, which are mainly relying upon the power, technological power, that is technological power. Next, we will go forward. Once again, we have discussed about the power. Okay, in introduction we have discussed about what is meant by concept of power. Concept of power is a very important and key concept. Why? Because this concept of power is covering all the aspects of political science. Okay, the concept of power cover all the aspects of political science. If you see that political parties have viewed, okay, they have viewed the process of resolution of conflicts. Nowadays the political parties are viewing politics are viewing a process of resolution conflicts. Resolution conflicts means whenever the two parties, if they wanted to reduce the differences, they came into conclusion. By reducing the differences, they came into conclusion through a peaceful process, that is called resolution, concept of resolution. Two political parties, when they are coming closer, whenever they are removing the differences by a peaceful process, that is called resolution of conflicts. Distribution of power must be done in the political community so that all the resolutions problems can be solved easily. Nowadays, the last time we have acceptance, feeling of acceptance are very important point. Last we have discussed about political power. Now we are discussing about technological power. In the modern days, the technology plays a very important role to exercise the power. In the modern days, technology plays a very important role. This is one of the important element. If you see, the technology is one of the important element. In the recent time, most of the political parties, in the recent time we can find artificial intelligence are playing a very important role, and they brought resolutions and immense effect on the life of man. Okay, artificial intelligence are nothing but the machines which are designed the program that can able to think like human beings. Whatever the machines which are designed a program that can able to think like human being, that is called artificial intelligence. Okay, nowadays these artificial intelligence are replacing the software programmers. Okay, this is also one point. So this artificial intelligence plays a very important role in bringing a great effect upon the life of man. Computer and intelligence already doing a lot of work in the modern world. In the contemporary democracy, if you see, the computers are playing the very important role. Technology is playing very important role in the modern world. Nowadays many political parties are relying upon the large data. This data is very important to run their political campaign. Next thing, government also utilizing the big data system. Okay, government, what they are doing, they are managing by this data, they are managing the delivery healthcare as well as other public services. There are many healthcare facilities. So this data is very important for delivering the proper healthcare facilities and other public services. So government also utilizing this data. Okay, information. Nowadays most of the political parties are depending on technology that will leave us in the form of exploitation, because completely depending on technology is not up to the mark. Okay, in certain extents if you depend upon technology then it is okay, but nowadays if you see, depending too much upon technology can leave us in the form of exploitation. Nowadays the present due to the technology we are facing some problems such as fake news. Fake news are spreading rapidly, that is also due to the technology as well as internet. Okay, technology we have to utilize in a right way. So nowadays fake news and all are mainly responsible for technology. Micro targeting is nothing but the government, what they will do, they will buy the data. Some political parties, they will buy the data. Why this data is important? From this data they can able to know about the customers' valuable information, they likes and dislikes, and they will work upon that to influence the voters. Okay, that is called as micro targeting. So technology nowadays are playing a very important role, and technology is playing a very important role and upper hand in politics. So childrens, in the present class we have discussed about technology. In the next class we will discuss about some other new concept. We will meet you in the next class, childrens. Thank you very much.